Good morning, students. If I ask you to observe the image, you are able to see the flowers, isn't it? Now, what is happening here? Beautiful flowers are blooming, isn't it? Yes. So, today we will see the third moral science lesson, keep blooming. How we have to bloom? We have to bloom like flowers. How flowers bloom like that? We as a human being, we too have to bloom. So this is your third lesson, keep blooming. Now if you see, we all make mistakes, isn't it? Yes, the one who never makes mistakes never does anything. Now, if you have not done any mistake, that means you have not done anything. So, as a human being, we all make mistakes. Either maybe one mistake or two mistake or maybe many mistakes. So, it is better to make 100 mistakes and accomplish something than to make no mistakes and accomplish nothing. Now, you think you have done mistake. Now what do you learn? You learn something from those mistakes, isn't it? What happens? You have not done any mistake. That means you are not going to learn anything. So with one mistake we learn something in our life. Maybe from that mistake we grow in our life. We may do better things in our life. So as a human being, we all make mistakes. There is no human person one who do not make mistake. Everyone makes mistakes and we learn from those mistakes. So mistakes are for growth. Okay, the mistakes what we do, they are for growth. For if you never make a mistake, you probably aren't doing anything. So as I said, if you're not doing anything, you are nothing. So mistakes are reasons for growth and not excuses for discouragement. So whatever the mistake you have done, that is not for your discouragement, but it is the reason for your growth. Mistakes help us to correct ourselves and grow. So there are many people who have succeeded in their life, okay, who have found success in their life. So successful people refuse to give up. They work hard to turn failure into success. For example, if you see Harvey Day, so he wanted to become a writer. If you see Harvey Day, so he wanted to become a writer. He wrote 267 articles before one article was accepted. Okay, he has written 267, but all those articles were not accepted. Later onwards may be accepted, but before that 267 articles were accepted. Next, if you see the Ignace Paderewski, okay, now this is a Polish pianist, great Polish pianist. He first chose to study the piano. Okay, his music teacher told him his hands were much too small to master the keyboard. First, when he was studying, his teacher told that his hands are too small to learn the keyboard or the piano. Next, if you see Vishwanathan Anand, who was he? He is a grandmaster, world chess champion. Lost in his first 3 contests. Okay, he is the world chess champion, but what happens? Last in his first 3 contests he lost, okay, at first. So the victory in the 4th contest was won because his opponent failed to come for the contest. First 3 contests he lost, but 4th contest he won because his opponent could not come. So every time he lost the contest, he cried on his mother's lap. Okay, whenever he lost, he went and cried on mother's lap. So today he is revered as the world champion. By his humble hard work, he has risen to this height. So do not think you are a failure because you made mistakes. Okay, even though you make mistake, don't think that you are a failure. Learn to accept your mistakes. Those who don't make mistakes are those who are constantly afraid of making mistakes, and those who won't accept them. Okay, they are afraid to make mistakes and they won't accept those mistakes. So, as we are human beings, our intelligence is limited, isn't it? And our knowledge is little. Okay, as a human being, we have a little knowledge. So, mistakes keep us humble. They teach us not to make the same mistake again, okay? But try to do not to make the same mistake again and again. So, blaming others, getting angry, or indulging in self pity. So, everything we learn something from these mistakes. So, having decided where we went wrong, we need to resolve never to commit the same mistake again. So, after committing mistake, what happens? We are prone to make mistakes again and again, isn't it? So at the end, we have to resolve ourselves that never to commit any mistake. So, have you learned from any of your mistakes you have done wrong, isn't it? You have done mistakes in your life. So, have you learned from those mistakes? Try to think and write. So, always, if you see, when we fail, this failure will lead to success, isn't it? You can see there, man jumping to success. So, failure leads to success. So, there is something good in every person and in every situation, isn't it? Fruits give their juice only when squeezed. One of the richest men in the world, that is Mr. Lafayette Hunt. He is the richest man in the world, whose petroleum brings him over $2 lakh a day, failed in mathematics in the third grade. Okay, he failed in mathematics. If you see, Thomas Alva Edison was sent out of school by the teacher who said he was too stupid to learn. Sudha Chandran trained herself to become a famous dancer after she lost a leg in an accident. So, there is something good in every person, isn't it? And we learn something good from every situation. So, be a flower, students. Be a flower. Okay? How the flower blooms in the morning. So, likewise, we too have to become like flower, blooming ourselves. So, in your book, draw a flower with 5 petals and write in the center any mistakes, okay, which you made, and in the 5 petals of the flower, what you learnt from the mistake. Middle of the flower, write one mistake, and in the 5 petals, you have to write whatever you have learnt from that mistakes.